Today we'll talk about how can you change your email on your Hotels.com app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, click here on account down here. When just click on account, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down, you keep going down here, then you click here on security its settings, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, click here on email, then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this, and you add code you have on your email in this list here. Then you click on continue here, then it's going to take you to change or add new account on your Hotels.com app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.